I will prepare homemade lahmacun, which originated from the stone oven tradition of Southeastern Anatolia and spread to the whole world. I am starting by preparing the dough so it can rest properly. Our dough is very simple: flour, water, salt. I am preparing an unleavened dough. Many masters in Southeastern Anatolia also prepare unleavened dough, because the flavor that should be in the foreground is not just the dough. Now I am kneading it well. I will get a firm dough that does not stick to the hands. The dough has come together nicely. I am covering it and letting it rest for at least 25 to 30 minutes. The longer we let the dough rest, the more flexible it becomes. This way, we can roll it out much better. While the dough rests, let's prepare the filling. I will prepare the filling closest to the classic. Normally, masters mince both the meat and the vegetables with a hand cleaver. When making homemade lahmacun, people usually use a food processor, but I believe it changes the taste too much. So, I will continue chopping with a knife. I am mincing the red bell pepper, green pepper, onion, parsley, and tomatoes as finely as possible. We have chopped our vegetables. Now it is time to combine all the ingredients. I am adding ground beef, a little tomato paste, and some pepper paste as well, red chili powder, isot, salt, black pepper, and a little bit of oil. Now I am starting to knead it well. The consistency of the filling should be neither like meatballs nor too watery. If it is too watery, it will leak from under the dough. Therefore, we must ensure the consistency is just right. Yes, this is exactly how the consistency should be. The filling is ready. The dough has rested too. Now let us divide it into balls. You can prepare about 10 to 13 lahmacun from this dough. Now I am shaping them all into rounds. I dust it with a little flour and roll it out very thin. The thinner we roll it, the closer we get to that stone oven texture. I will make it round. Of course, it varies according to the region. Sometimes they can make it oval. Actually, the shape is completely up to you. Before spreading the mixture onto the dough, I flour the wooden base well and place the dough on it. I add a portion of the filling on top. It shouldn't be too much, but it must spread everywhere. I spread it nicely with my fingertips. The golden rule for making a crispy lahmacun is to bake a thin dough at high heat for a short time. I have preheated the oven to the maximum level. It will bake for 6 to 8 minutes. Now our first lahmacun is going into the oven. The serving of lahmacun is a classic: parsley, lemon, and onion with sumac. The thin dough is truly crispy and not dry at all. The filling is juicy, and I can truly say this is the best lahmacun recipe you can make at home. Enjoy your meal.